want you on my mind, don't want to feel you. Don't want you on my mind, don't want to feel you.
Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in to Nizzysplayhouse. So for today's look, I'm using the Zulu palette by JUVIA'S, and I pretty much use like almost all the colors in the palette. Like, this is one of my favorite palettes. So I'm going to start off by packing that orange right in the crease, and I've been trying a new thing where I'm using a packing motion instead of swiping. And you know, this will be the result of the video. So I'm just packing that in. I don't know what kind of brush this is. I know it's from E.LE. I think it's a small blending brush, I think. So yeah, that's what I'm using, and I'm just packing that right in the crease and creating that shape that, you know, this will start the shape off for you. Then I'm going in with the brown shade, and I'm going in with the MORPHE M507 brush. Like I said, I like to use this brush because it's more tapered and I can get like off in that crease and kind of follow the orange. So you want to kind of follow the shape that you created. Now for this part, I am using the back and forth motion just because I need it to blend like instantly, so that I can make sure that it's like blended, because we don't want no lines of demarcation. So I am going with the back and forth swiping motion, and then I kind of followed up with the circular blending motion to blend the two together to make sure that it to make sure that it blends smooth and effortlessly, sis. Then I'm going in with the yellow shade in the palette, and I'm using the MORPHE M506 brush. And I'm just kind of like dragging that orange and yellow together. It's kind of create a blown out effect so that it doesn't look all like, I don't know how to explain it, but you know what I'm saying. Like, see the difference between that eye and the other eye? It looks more like blown out and more better or whatever. And for today, I am using the ColourPop concealer in the shade Fair 02 to go ahead and cut my crease. You guys already know my trick, so you just put a little bit on the eyelid, look up, and it creates the line for you, so you just follow that. So I always record myself doing like the first part, but this is the part that takes the most, because you want to take your time and get that line as sharp as possible. So I'm just doing that, and this video, like, in no way or shape or form actually shows how long this process is. Like, I usually spend about maybe like 10 minutes per each eye getting that, you know, crease all done up or whatever. So now I'm going in with that kind of pink rose gold shade, and I'm using that packing shader brush that I got from my BoxyCharm brush. This is the LUXIE, this is the LUXIE 245 small shader brush that I'm using, and I did spray a little bit of setting spray on it before I packed it on, just so that I can get that kind of shiny look. And I know it's not showing up on camera, I apologize, but you can, you know, see that it's like there. Now for today's glitter, I'm using BADDIE Cosmetics Rich Sex. I did use the NYX glitter primer first, and then I just went ahead and applied that on. So make sure you guys check that glitter company out. She makes a lot of chunky glitters and stuff. So I was looking for something gold, so I tried this shade and I absolutely loved it. So I just applied that, you know, right in my like outer crease area, and like, it is the bomb. So I went ahead and applied my mascara and my lashes. These lashes are from Glamour Vault, and they're in the style Bad Gal. So make sure you guys use my code Nizzy15 for 15% off on these. And then for the rest of this video, I always just, you know, let it rip and let it roll. I'll show you guys my face routine, but I just wanted to do a walkthrough talk through more on the eyeshadow portion of the video. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns about today's look, or any of the tools or brushes that I used in today's video. Leave them down in the description box. I will definitely answer those. And as always, thanks for watching.